guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and here are some of the items that I have purchased in the past few days. And these are travel books. So I did an unboxing in my previous video, and these particular travel books is actually perfect as a coffee table book. So I have 3 books in here, so I am going to show you each of these books. And let me start with this one right here. So this one is still sealed. So right here in front, you're not going to be able to identify which country it is, which city it is, if you're just looking at right here in front. But rather, if you look at in the corner, so this one I have, this is by Lee Kun-woo on Cuba. So right here at the back. So that's where you'll be able to see which city or country it is. This is by the artist Lee Kun-woo. So this is a travel book, Cuba. So here is the product information. So if you're interested, this is R08346. Okay. So this one is still sealed, guys. So let me take this one out. So we will be able to see just a little bit on this book. So if you're interested in getting on these, this is actually available on the website from louisvuitton.com. And this is $56 US before tax. Okay. So this is from the Chinese artist Lee Kun-woo. Lee Kun-woo actually draws Cuba in a prolific and fervent style. So, beautiful red. Just love this red color, guys. So this is what the book is about. This is actually the expression of his visit and showing his creative illustration of Lee Kun-woo when he visited Cuba. So this is available in different languages. So this one is available in English, French, and Spanish. So if you wanted to get this French or Spanish, you could probably request for that, because I know that if you would go to Louis Vuitton website in United States, this one is expected that this is only available in English. But if you wanted to get the French and Spanish version, you might call the 1-800 number or get in touch with your sales associate so they would get one for you. So this is just the illustration is about. I just love this, guys. I just love this travel book so much. This is one of my favorites ever from Louis Vuitton, and it's just this is even my favorite more than the from the Louis Vuitton book itself. So I just found this one fascinating with all these beautiful illustrations, and all of these drawings here are exclusively drawn by the artist. Very nice. So this is the first book that I got. So this one is a cloth binding, so you guys can see right there. And this one is cloth. This one is a bookmark, and then this one is just the elastic band if you wanted to close it like this. So this is the travel book from Cuba. So the next book that we have, it is going to be, do you have any guesses for this? Just with the illustration itself. Do you have any idea? So this one is by Miles Hyman. This is the travel book Rome. If you're interested in getting on these, this is the product information. This is the travel book from Rome. It's 308449. Okay, so let's see. Let's open this. Okay. So all of these are still sealed. Oh my gosh. I can already tell that I would enjoy each of these pages and illustrations. Oh goodness. So this is by this one is available in French, English, and of course Italian. So this is the travel book Rome. So yeah, Miles Hyman is actually best known for his graphic novel adaptation. So there's a lot of exclusive drawings from him in this book, actually. So yeah, I would definitely gonna recommend this particular travel book, guys. It's like, I would say that this book is, I'm not age appropriate. It could be anybody could read this, or not read. Everybody could look at this, appreciate the illustration, because this is more likely a child-friendly or age-appropriate book. There's nothing like something that would, something that is more likely. But then again, yeah, if you want to be safe, yeah, you need the, parents' supervision as well. But I would say this one is really like a child-friendly travel book, guys. So if you just left this book in a table and anywhere, so you're not going to worry about they're going to see something that's lewd or whatever, something that's offensive. So this one is, yeah, friendly. It's for everybody, I must say. So that's why I love them. Definitely, So yeah, it's the same thing. And definitely, this is the travel book from Rome. I love it. I cannot wait after my vlog. I can't wait to take a look at each of these illustrations. I'm so excited. So the next one, it is going to be from the French artist. This is, you guys, any idea where is this book from? So this is a New York travel book, and this is from Jean-Philippe Delhomme. Okay, he's a French artist and blogger. So here is the product information if you're interested. Travel book New York R07887. This is $56 US. And let's open this. Let's take a look inside. I love New York. And if you have been to the city, definitely I will recommend this book. But let me remind you guys that this is an illustration. This book is an illustration. This is not a travel guide, okay? So if you wanted a travel guide, they do have a travel guide though that would suggest where to eat, the restaurant, and anything about the city itself. So this is the New York travel book. And this one came in with French and English language as well. So if you wanted to get the French one, you might want to request for that. But since I am in the States, so I prefer to have it in English. So this is how it looks inside. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is just some of those illustrations. Yeah, nothing like crazy, nothing too crazy about it. So you're not going to worry about anybody's opening, looking at your travel book. This one, look at that. This is like a really, for everybody. I would highly recommend this. And I just love every single page of it. From my previous unboxings, I love those books. It's just like, I don't know, especially that some places that reminds you of something. And I always put a caption at each of these pages. Love it. I will highly recommend it. So all of these books are, so all the travel book collection is an invitation to the real and virtual voyages. And every pages, in each of these pages right here from on the book, the illustration of renowned artists and promising young talents tell the stories of the cities and countries they have visited. The creative worlds on show are highly diverse. During their travels, the artists from various corners of the world were free to choose their mode of expression, from painting and illustration to collage and manga. So yeah, this is just the expression of their first expression there of the cities. And also, yeah, these are their original drawings, so the artist owned it. And that's what I like about it. This is not just like taken digitally using the cameras or the phones, but this is more likely a mixture of that. So I really, really love it. So I would highly recommend this. As it's like a book collection or a coffee table book, definitely I would. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.